Hey y'all, welcome to the Nails with Nana YouTube channel. You guys are all pretty much going to be new here, so if you could do your girl a favor and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and also if you feel the need to share a comment in the comment section below. So for today's video, you guys, since I want to pop this set off, this is why the video has started where it is right now, with me basically about to apply the application. Normally I don't just skip to this part, like if I would think if I want to work on somebody, when I do start taking clients. I don't have clients yet, but when I start taking clients and everything, I'm not going to prep the nails like this. First, you would, clip off the actual person's nail if they needed it clipped. You would also push back the cuticle. You would, use the little drill bit around the cuticle to get that dead skin up. You would also use like the little clipper scissors if you wanted to pick up the dead skin around the cuticle. I would also use my cuticle, like I said, pusher to push them back. I would also remove the shine from the natural nail, but in this case, I'm not doing that because I'm going to pop these suckers right off after this video so that I can provide another video for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Also, after the removing of the shine from the nail, you would also apply the tips. Shape them, file them to your discretion or how you like them. Trim them with the nail cutter or scissors if you have them. Shape it, like I said, and file it, and then you would blend in that natural nail. But in this case, I'm not doing that because, like I said, I'm popping these suckers off. So enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and if I have something else I want to say throughout the video, then I'll come back. Bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Okay, this set is giving me shimmer me timbers. I'm gonna say shimmer me timbers. Okay, this is what this set is giving. Also, it's giving a little classy base. It's giving a little glitter and a little sprinkle and a little bedazzle in there, y'all. It's giving a little bedazzle.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay, y'all. So after this step, what you guys didn't see is that I applied a clear acrylic on top of the actual acrylic, the pink acrylic and the glitter acrylic, to encapsulate it so that when I go down the file, that it's not straying away at it, or it's, making the clear and that it's not making the glitter and the pink acrylic look a nasty, dingy type of way, because I encapsulated it. But you guys won't see that clip because it did not save. So sorry about that. But that's what I did after this step.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Well, that about wraps up this video. If you're feeling this look, if you're feeling the ending of these, if you are liking this look, don't forget to hit that like, that comment, that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my YouTube channel, about my Instagram. I'm still building up everything and just practicing and just trying to get this work out there to you guys. The Instagram is going to be in the comment section below, but it is nails with Nana __, no spaces or anything in between. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.